This is the Pickle Buddies Turtly Awesome Crochet Amigurumi. I think it's actually even cuter in person. Thank you to the brand for sending us this to try out and give our honest opinion to show you. So I am a crocheter myself, so I wanted to look at the quality first and foremost, especially if you're giving it as a gift. And it definitely meets my expectations as someone who does amigurumi. So you can see even back here, one of the first things I looked for was to make sure that you don't see any stuffing or any of the inside part coming out, and you don't. And then also you can pull on the head and on the feet, the arms, and they don't move. They're not pulling away, so the yarn is in there attached really well. Even the sign here, I was impressed. I thought maybe the sign was just going to kind of be slid in here, but it's actually crocheted in with the yarn, so it's very sturdy. The sign's good quality. It's kind of like a little cardboard hard paper. And overall, I think it's just cute. This would be the perfect little gift for someone, or even for yourself, just to put on your desk as, you know, a little reminder to stay positive. But overall, very cute and good quality.